How you guys doing? J.E.Y Cars here. We want to do this quick little video how to change the alternator on a 2010, but I think it's from 09 to 2013 1.8 liter Toyota Corolla. First, let's talk tools. For tools, you're gonna need a 12 millimeter, a 14, a 10, and flathead. Make things easier. So we already removed it. You're gonna want to remove the whole engine cap. You know, it'll expose everything. So now you want to come over here. You want to disconnect the battery, positive, negative, and you want to come over here to the alternator side, and then you want to go ahead and take off the little plastic part on the ground. Just comes right off like that.
First, you gotta like pry it.
You gotta pry it out with like a little flathead.
Just like, pop it out.
Just pop it out. It pops right out. And there's a little connector right here. You want to go ahead and pull that out, and boom, the alternator is disconnected from the car. And so now you're gonna have two screws. One here on the side, that's a 14. And it's gonna be this one right here, that's the tensioner for the alternator to tension up the belt. And there's gonna be one, let me see if can I borrow this? One right here. The little screw right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a screw right down there. It's a 14, it's also a 14. You wanna loosen those three out, and the alternator should come right out. Also guys, while you're taking off the alternator, to get this wiring harness out the way, there's gonna be a little clip on this tab right here. On this tab, I can't really get down here, but there's a little clip. You just pull it down, and it's like a little quick release, so that harness gets separated from the alternator like that. So you don't have to worry about unscrewing that screw right there. Yeah, after fighting with it, you just gotta kind of wiggle it out, keep going back and forth. Maybe get like a little flathead and pry it up, because it's really in there. So once you pry it up, it's gonna come straight out, and you can literally just finesse its way out. There you go.
That's it. That's where it was set.
Alternator.
The little thing right there. Just wiggle it out.
So we're gonna go get another alternator, and we'll
Get back to you.
We'll get back to you.
Alright, so we got the new alternator in. Very clean.
Basically, we just threw it in there. Sorry about that, but yeah, you basically just fit it in and make sure you put it back in between this little part.
Yeah, and then you just put the screw back in, just to make sure it's aligned.
Yeah, you make sure you got a buddy with you, so you can make sure you put the screw in good. That's so. You see, so you got this has to come up a little bit more, like that. You just gotta finagle it, and it should be good to go. You can start tightening it.
And then you just put everything back into the place they were before.
So I'm not gonna finish screwing this in, but then after that, you're gonna want to get your ground, unscrew the little 10 millimeter, and then put that back in, and then your little power connector, plug it back in, and then you want to make sure you get the bracket. Make sure you put your bracket in. So we're gonna put some of this stuff back in first, and then we'll get back to you when we're doing the bracket part. So now, basically, for the bracket,
you gotta put this one first.
You gotta
on
put
the
this
new
screw
one.
in first, and then if you want, you can start threading in this screw.
Yeah, but don't tighten them too hard.
Don't tighten it too tight yet. So when you're adjusting for the belt, that could be way easier for you. You know, you work with what you got.
Yeah, so you just put the belt on, and then with this screw that's right there, loose, you just start tightening this until it gets to the original spot where it was in the old one. And then you tighten, after you get this all the way there, you tighten this one so that it could be tight, and then you can just tighten this one at the end. And then your belt should be like perfectly.
We already did it, but you tighten the 10 millimeter bolt, the ground, you tighten that up, you put the cap back on top, and the power connector, you go ahead and clip that back in and put your battery in, and you should be good to go.
Alright, we'll get back to you when you put the battery in. Now, your battery's in. Just put your cover back on.
Let's start it up, see if she's good.
Now your car's all good.